my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saarna. I hope you all are doing well. So recently I have started my YouTube channel, and if you end up liking this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So today's video is all about what I purchased from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So a quick disclaimer before starting off this video is that the products I'm going to show you in this video, I purchased them with my own money. And I'm not pressurizing anyone to buy all of these products. If you like it, if you want it, then you can buy it. If you don't want to, then you don't need to buy it. It's okay. And also, if you don't like all this kind of content, then you can skip this video right here. And I'm just sharing my experience with Nykaa, what I bought in their sale. And yeah, that's it for the disclaimer thing. So I have this huge box from Nykaa, and it contains all the products which I'm gonna show you in this video. And some of them are new purchases and some of them are old, like I use them in my daily life and I have restocked them. So without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into the video. So the first product is from Plum. It is the green tea night gel, and I love this product very much. I have used this product before and basically I have restocked it. Next one, I have this green tea face wash from Plum, and this is my new purchase. I haven't tried this before and I'm very excited to try this. So I will let you know how the product works. I like the green tea range. I think it suits me well. And also I've got the green tea toner from this brand. Basically it was a combo deal of 3. So the second product is a hair care product and it is from the brand Two Frog. And this is my new purchase. I haven't tried this before and I have heard many great reviews of this particular product and I'm very excited to try this. So the next product is from the brand Cupid and it is the green matcha gel cream, and this is my new purchase. I haven't tried it. So it has matcha green tea extract which attracted me to buy this, and it is for oily skin people, and yeah, I am also excited to try this. So the next product is from Derma. It is the Hyaluronic Sunscreen and this is also my new purchase. I have heard many reviews on this product and I am very excited to try this also. So the next product is from Neutrogena and it is the Bright Boost range which is newly launched, and yeah, I have got this in a combo deal and it is my new purchase. I haven't tried this before, so I am very excited to try this also. So the next product is from Derma. It is the Salicylic acid and I have repurchased it. I have finished my previous bottle and I love this product. It worked like wonder on my skin. This product is a holy grail product for acne prone skin people and it have worked well for me, so I have repurchased it. So the next product is from Juicy Chemistry. It is the Rose Hip Seed Oil and this is my repurchase. So basically I use this in my night skincare routine. After using my night cream, I top it up with this oil and it is a very good product. So the next product I have with me is from Derma. It is the 1% Salicylic Acid Gel Face Wash and this is my new purchase. I haven't tried this before and इसका मैंने बहुत अच्छा reviews देखा है online and thought of buying this. So the next product I have with me is from Nykaa and it is their Papaya and Amla face wash. This is my new purchase. I have tried the other variant but thought of trying this. I can't recall the name. I will mention it on the screen. And yeah, this is my new purchase. So the next product I have is Color Bar Nail Remover. This I have repurchased and I have used, I think this is my 4th or 5th bottle. I love this product very much. So the next product is from Bare Anatomy and as you can see I have got this in a combo deal of 3 and this have this ultra smoothing hair masks and a serum and a shampoo. I have started using this and I'm gonna make a detailed video on this particular product. So guys, one thing I forgot to show you, that I have also got this green tea facial mist from Plum. I got that in that combo, and yeah, this is my repurchase. I love this facial mist and I use this every single day. I think I have used 2 bottles of this product and I restocked it. Next product is from Kaya and I have bought this in 2 variant. This is refreshing mattifying wipes and this is everyday cleaning wipes, and ये मेरा ख़त्म हो गया था. This is a repurchase, so I stocked it up. The next product I have is Lakme Lip Love Lip Care, and this contains SPF 15 and it is in the variant Berry Mint, and I have restocked this. I love this lip balm a lot, and yeah. So the next product is from Aroma Magic and it is the Neem and Tea Tree face wash, and I have tried this face wash long time ago and ये सेल पे देखा तो मैंने ये ले लिया, and it is a very good face wash. So the next product I have is this Garnier micellar water and I have repurchased it and I love this. So that was it for my स्किन केयर कैटेगरी, और मुझे ये प्लम का सी बकथॉन ऑयल फ्री मिला है. एज आई हैव ट्राइड दिस बिफोर, मेरे पास है ऑलरेडी एंड मैं उतना यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, फिर भी ये मुझे फ्री मिला है, सो आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट इट. So moving on to the makeup category, I have few items to show you guys, and let me show you one by one. So I have got this ZM का Blinkit mascara and I have restocked it, and it is an amazing mascara and you should definitely try this. So the next product which I have with me is from Nykaa. It is the all day matte compact powder in the shade Beige. I have repurchased this and I have tried this before also, and I love this compact very much. It is my go-to compact. I take it everywhere with me, and yeah, even filming this video I have touched up with this powder, and you can see my makeup is flawless. It's looking flawless. So moving on to the next product. Which I have is from Essence. It is their Brighten Up banana powder, and this is my new purchase. I haven't tried it before and I will surely make a detailed video on this particular product and let you know guys how it works. Yes. So the next product is also from Essence and it is the Lash Princess mascara, and I have been eyeing on this product for such a long time, and every time I see on Nykaa it is out of stock, but finally I got my hands on this product and I am such a gainer. Like, it does what it claims, and मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत ही अच्छे रिव्यूज सुने थे, बट या आज मुझे ट्राई करने को मिला, एंड आज के वीडियो में मैंने ये अपने लैशेस पे लगाया हुआ है. And if you guys want a detailed video, please let me know in the comment box. So next product I have is this Essence ka brow mascara, and I will mention the shade name on the screen. And this is also a good product. This is a new purchase and I have tried this today, and yeah, this is good. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want a separate detailed video on any particular product that I have shown you in today's video, then do let me know in the comment box. And also, if you like my vibe, if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel, as I already told you that it will mean a lot to me. And give this video a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. Also click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And till then, stay tuned, take care, bye.